Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn Connect to Computer Standard 8 Assignment 2 Activity Zone. Question number 1. Multiple choice questions. Number 1. Which general terms refers to all kinds of harmful software including virus, worms, Trojan horses and spyware? So answer is malware. Okay. Number 2. Which of the following terms does not refers to a potentially harmful computer program? Spyware. Number 3. You learn in Excel that hash 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 means the cell is not wide enough. Number 4. Which of the following may be an indications that a computer has been infected by a virus or other malware? So answer is computer runs very slowly. Number 5. If you think your computer has a virus, a good first step in solving the problem would be to run a virus scan. Question number 6. Cell references A10, A20 refer to value in the cell in column A and row 10. Number 7. Which of the following is type of program that either pretend to have or is described as having a set of useful or desirable features but actually contain damaging code? Trojans. Number 8. Which of the following is the type of software that has self-replicating software that cause damage to files and systems? Worms. Number 9. A formula result is in cell C6. You wondered how you got the result to see the formula. You answer is click in cell C6 and then press Ctrl plus Shift. Number 10. What is software called which when get download on computer scans your hard drive for personal information and your internet browsing habits? Spyware. Number 11. What is the name of the virus that fool a user into downloading and executing them by pretending to useful applications? Trojan horses. Number 12. I want to add cell value from C5 to C70 and show output of the additions in cell A3. Which formula should I use? Write in cell A3 comma is equal to sum bracket open C5 C70 bracket close. C5 semicolon C70 bracket close. 13. What is the virus? It is a computer program. Number 14. Cell address A10, A20 refer to the value in the cell in column A and row 10. Number 15. What kind of attempts is made by the individuals to obtain confidential information from a person by falsifying their identity? Phishing scams. Number 16. What is antivirus? It is an application. Number 17. Which button allows you to copy cell format from one cell to another? Format Painter. Number 18. Which one is not a computer virus? Rudolph. Number 19. What's one way we can prevent computer virus? Install antivirus software. Number 20. What do you type into an empty cell to start formula? An equal sign. Bracket open is equal to bracket close. Equal is equal to. Okay. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. You can complete cell entry by pressing dash. Enter key. Number 2. A dash is a collection of posts usually displayed from oldest to latest thread. Number 3. On an Excel sheet, the active cell is indicated by dash, dark outline. Number 4. A dash is a predefined formula for performing a particular task, function. Number 5. Dash programs are programs designed to harvest email addresses to building mailing lists for sending spam bot. Number 6. Dash sites allows users to share ideas, activities, events and interests within their individual's network, social networking. Number 7. A dash is a type of website that is updated regularly with a new content. Blog. Number 8. A dash thread will always appear in front of normal thread, often in its own section. Sticky. Number 9. Dash is also known as unwanted or unsolicited email, usually spreads malware through links in the message that lead to the phishing websites, email spam. Number 10. Dash are computer programs that are designed by attackers to gain root or administrative access to your computer. Rootkits. Number 11. Dash are pictorial representations of data, pictorial chart. Number 12. The dash manage the technical details required for running the site, e-commerce website. Question number 3. True or false? Number 1. If you choose a large font size, the height of the rows is automatically made taller. True. Number 2. A range has an address called a range address. True. Number 3. It is not possible insert an image from a file into an Excel spreadsheet. False. A formula and a function are the same things. False. The formula is equal to bracket open, bracket A2 plus B5 bracket close, star 5% is a valid. False. Question number 4. Answer the following. Number 1. Why is anti-spyware important? Give any 3 reasons. Anti-spyware is intended to prevent and detect unwanted spyware and consequently removes them. Anti-spyware software will perform routine checks on your computer to ensure your system is safe. As well as this, it will also make sure your privacy is protected 24/7 from any possible intrusions. Question number 2. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is criminal activity that either targets or use a computer network or a networked device. Cybercrime is carried out by individuals or organizations. Question number 3. What is cyber security? Computer security and cyber security or informational technology security is the protection of computer system and network from information. What is cyber terrorism? Answer. Cyber terrorism is the use of the internet to conduct violent acts that result in or threaten loss of life or significant bodily harm in order to achieve political or ideological gains through threat or intimidations. Question number 5. Name the following. Number 1. Any 4 type of virus. Boot sector virus, direct action virus, resident virus, multi party virus. Any 4 antivirus software. Avira, Bitdefender, Norton, Trend Micro. Any 4 places where cybercrime can take place. Spams, cyber stalking, phishing, malware. Question number 6. Complete the following puzzle with given clues. LinkedIn, okay, Blogger, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, forum, guest, blog, post. Moderator, okay. Thank you.